Life begins in a single extraordinary moment, when one sperm unites with an egg.
This single cell now carries the complete blueprint of a new human being.
It begins to divide, multiplying rapidly in a precise process. A solid cluster of cells forms, known as the morula. It transforms into a blastocyst, preparing for implantation.
The embryo embeds into the uterine lining, forming a vital connection. 3 layers emerge, each forming essential parts of the body.
A protective fluid-filled sac surrounds the embryo. The placenta develops, delivering oxygen and nutrients. The brain and spinal cord begin to take shape. A tiny heart begins to form. And soon, it beats for the first time. Early limbs start to appear. Facial features begin to take shape.
The umbilical cord delivers life-sustaining nourishment. Now called a fetus, the form becomes more human, a masterpiece of nature taking its final shape. Tiny fingers and toes emerge.
Vital organs continue developing.
Small movements begin. Bones form beneath the skin. Skin and delicate hair appear.
Growth accelerates rapidly.
The brain develops at an incredible pace. A protective layer of fat forms.
The baby's features are now fully formed.